Day 2 of our tour of the Åland Islands. We're off to a pretty chilly start this morning. I've got my rain jacket on. I think it's about 15 degrees or so, but the wind is making everything a bit colder. So the first stop today is a supermarket stop just a kilometers up ahead this road, and then we start making our way to the north part of the island. We've been off to a pretty windy start this day, but I think we're just past the northernmost point of this trip today, and the wind is coming from the north, so hopefully we'll have a nice tailwind for the upcoming 10 or 20 kilometers. And the sun is also peeking through the clouds here, and it looks like we can have some blue sky up ahead here. started heading east now, and although the sun is out, I just put my jacket back on. It may look like it's really nice temperatures outside now, but it's just around 15 degrees, so with the wind it makes it a bit chilly. Starting to look for a campground now, and there's 2 of them up here in about 10 kilometers, so I'm gonna have a look there and see if they're any good. Checked in and eaten some dinner here at the campground in Bomarsund. We decided to choose this campground because it's about 15 kilometers left until we reach the next ferry over to the island of Brändö. That's located just between the Åland Islands and the mainland of Finland. Today we covered almost 65 kilometers, and it was a bit chilly in the morning with the clouds and 13-14 degrees Celsius, but it turned out to be a nice evening here with some sunshine and some warmer temperatures. This is a map of the Åland Islands. We started out here this morning, cycled through the middle of Åland, made our way north here, and then took a turn to the south, and finally ended up in over here at the campground in Bomarsund. Tomorrow we'll take a short ferry over to this island called Vårdö, where we'll finally catch a ferry that will kind of crisscross between these islands over to a bigger island called Brändö over here. There we'll cycle for about 25 kilometers up north here and take a ferry over to the Finnish mainland, where we'll end the day tomorrow. Last night when we camped out on the west side of the island, we were the only bike tourists around, but at this campground we've seen at least 20 other bike tourists, and I'm guessing that's because of the proximity to the ferry here over to the Finnish mainland. So a lot of people are going on the ferry tomorrow over to Finland. So hopefully it will be a nice day weather-wise tomorrow as well, and we'll finally make it to Finland tomorrow. So thanks for watching this video, and please hit that subscribe button if you like this type of content, and until next time, Have a good one.